Welcome to World Buzz Bulletin. In a landmark ruling that has reverberated across India's legal and political landscapes, the Supreme Court has ordered a former lawmaker to remain in prison, overturning a lower court's decision to grant him bail. On Monday, the apex court stayed an order from the Delhi High Court that would have suspended the life sentence of Kuldeep Sengar, an expelled legislator convicted in the 2017 Unnao rape case. The three-judge bench, led by Chief Justice of India, Surya intervened following an urgent appeal by the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI). The federal agency argued that Sengar's release would pose a significant threat to the survivor and undermine the protective framework of the nation's child protection laws. Sengar was convicted in 2019 for the rape of a minor and was sentenced to imprisonment for the remainder of his natural life. The legal dispute centers on a hyper-technical interpretation of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences (POCSO) Act. The lower court had previously suggested that, as an elected member of the Legislative Assembly (MLA), Sengar did not qualify as a public servant under specific sections of the Act, a distinction that would have reduced the severity of his charges. However, the Supreme Court expressed grave concern over this logic, noting that such an exemption could effectively grant legal immunity to powerful politicians while leaving junior officials like police constables subject to the full force of the law. The survivor of the 2017 attack, who has spent years in hiding under witness protection, welcomed the ruling, stating that it restored her faith in the justice system. The case has been a flashpoint for activists, who argue that the influence wielded by political figures often obstructs the path to justice for victims of sexual violence. While the court has issued a notice to Sengar's legal team to file a response within 4 weeks, he will remain behind bars. Beyond the rape conviction, the former lawmaker is also serving a separate 10-year sentence for his role in the custodial death of the survivor's father. The Supreme Court has scheduled a detailed hearing for late January to permanently resolve the questions of law regarding the status of lawmakers in such heinous crimes. Thank you for watching World Buzz Bulletin.